Hey guys, this is Joy Cho from Oh Joy. I don't know about you, but the afternoon I'm in serious need of a pick-me-up snack. So today, we're gonna make some mini waffle sandwiches. They're perfect for an after-school snack or during a day full of adventure. The extra fun part comes from the ingredients that we'll use to fill our waffles and waffle sandwiches. To start, you'll need a mini waffle iron, batter, you can use your favorite recipe or a ready-made mix, a variety of ingredients both sweet and savory. Whenever we're cooking in the kitchen, I make sure to have my Band-Aid brand bandages by Oh Joy and other first aid items on hand for any accidental scrapes or cuts that might occur. Today, we'll make chicken and waffles, Nutella and strawberries, and pizza. Now, simply combine and create. Here are a few of my favorites. Finally, assemble the layers and enjoy. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them below. And please subscribe to the Oh Joy YouTube channel.